Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this simple lesson we will talk about the conditional statements in Python programming language to make decisions based on the inputs that we will put before this conditional statement. First, let's use the input function to take inputs from users, and then we will create a conditional statement using the if keyword, elif and else. Just type x equals int, and in between the parentheses of the int function try to place the input function, and inside the parentheses of this input function try to place a string data type. Please enter an integer. This is just a simple sentence or a simple string. They will appear before the user enters the number. And after pressing the enter button, immediately after the first line we got this text here, please enter an integer. And we have entered the number 40 to evaluate the variable x now, so that we can use this value in the test expression for the if statement after that. Now we are going to start our if statement block. Just type if x is smaller than 0, and inside the block of the if statement type x equals 0, then print negative, change it to 0. This is a very simple example. If this test expression x is smaller than 0 were true, we will get negative, change it to 0 on the screen. If this required is achieved, and that is that the value of x is smaller than 0, this message will be printed on the screen simply. But you know that the value of x is equal to 40 and it is not smaller than 0, and therefore nothing will be printed on the screen in this case. To solve this problem, it is the rule of the elif conditional statement to write another condition if the first condition for the if statement or the test expression is not correct or false. We'll say elif x equals 0, print 0. If the test expression for the elif conditional statement here is true, you'll see 0 string on the screen. But also in this case the test expression is false because x equals 40, not 0, so we have to put another condition. Now here we will create another elif block. Just type elif x equals 1, and inside this elif block type print single. If the test expression x equals 1 was true, you will get single string on the screen. But also this condition or test expression x equals 1 is false, not true. So you won't see anything on the screen. You won't see single string on the screen. Now let's talk about the else keyword or the else statement in Python programming language. The else keyword catches anything which is not caught by the preceding conditions. And as you can see, all the preceding conditions in this example is false. So if you try to type the else block, it will be implemented or executed simply. Now we will write else, and inside the block of the else type print more. We will get this string more on the screen because all the previous conditions for if and double elif conditions are false. Just hit enter and you will see the output. As you can see, we get more, the string data type that belongs to the block called else.